Today we're going to talk about my favorite frozen desserts. I'm talking sorbets and sherbets. Have you ever wondered what makes them different? Hey guys, I'm Leanne and welcome to today's edition of Tasty and Informative. Today we're going to talk about my favorite frozen desserts, and I'm talking sorbets and sherbets. The biggest difference between them is that sorbet doesn't contain any dairy. It's technically an ice. It can be made with fruit juice, wine, or tea infusion, but sherbet contains milk for added creaminess. It actually has lower fat and lower calories than ice cream, and lower fat means brighter flavors. But if you ever find yourself in the UK, don't be surprised if you're handed a fizzy powder to stir into your drink. Sorbet and sherbet have similar sounding names because it comes from the Arabic word sharbat, which is an effervescent fruit drink poured over ice. You remember eating rainbow sherbet as a kid? I used to call it sherbet until I learned that it's actually called sherbet, which rhymes with hermit. Who knew?